Hello guys, over here, back in another video, and today I'm going to be doing I'm a Mess cover by, I believe it was like Babe something. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the cover and I'll see you guys later. Bye! Everything's been so messed up here lately. Pretty sure he don't wanna be my baby. Oh, he don't love me, he don't love me, he don't love me, he don't love me, but that's okay. 'Cause I love me, I love me, I love me, I love myself anyway. Hey, everything's gonna be alright, everything's gonna be okay. It's gonna be a good life, that's what my therapists say. Everything's gonna be alright, everything's gonna be just fine. It's gonna be a good life. I'm a mess, I'm a loser, I'm a hater, I'm a user, I'm a mess. For your love, it ain't new. I'm obsessed, I'm embarrassed, I don't trust no one around us. I'm a mess, for your love, it ain't new. Nobody shows up unless I'm paying. Have a drink on me, cheers to the fan. Oh, you don't love me, you don't love me, you don't love me, you don't love me, but that's okay. 'Cause I love me, I love me, I love me, I love myself anyway. Hey, everything's gonna be alright, everything's gonna be okay. It's gonna be a good life, that's what my therapists say. Everything's gonna be alright, everything's gonna be just fine. It's gonna be a good life. I'm a mess, I'm a loser, I'm a hater, I'm a user, I'm a mess. For your love, it ain't new. I'm obsessed, I'm embarrassed, I don't trust no one around us. I'm a mess, for your love, it ain't new. Everything's gonna be alright, everything's gonna be just fine. It's gonna be a good life. I'm a mess, I'm a loser, I'm a hater, I'm a user, I'm a mess. For your love, it ain't new. I'm obsessed, I'm embarrassed, I don't trust no one around us. I'm a mess, for your love, it ain't new. I hope you enjoyed that cover I did, and make sure to subscribe and like this video and comment down below how much you like this song, 1 through 10. So yeah, I hope you enjoy, and by the way, my toy shop series will be coming out probably this April sometime. So yeah, if you want to get a part inside the series, go ahead and comment down below as well. I want to be my own character, or you want to be someone else that I've already made. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and jam on, jammers. Bye!